Okay, so it's the first day back after my trip to the lake and a visit with my family. And here is my garden. Let's go inspect it a little closer. I'm super excited about this. Look at my corn has started to do that, which I think is important. And then I thought I saw a little, huh? I will. I thought I saw a little cob on here yesterday, but I guess I did not yet. So, but anyway, we're getting stuff going on. The sage is coming back after I whacked it back. Look, oh my gosh, look at all the bees still. I left the oregano. I left the oregano to flower and it's now covered with bees. Look at all the weeds that have come up. Oh my goodness. In only a week, look at how huge those two weeds have gotten. My goodness, I need to take those down. Even the flowers back there on the lamb's ear, which look like they're almost dead. I guess they don't look like they're dead. I can walk in here a little closer maybe without. So they're just beautiful and they're just covered with bees. Oh my goodness. Somebody mentioned that I should now get a bee cage and start farming my bees and making my own honey. Oh my gosh, look at that oregano. I'm gonna have to trim that way back. I might have to start. It just comes back on its own. I've got oregano all over. Look at even just right there. I see 3, 4. Wow. Anyway, let's move on. I'll have to come out here and weed tomorrow. We've ordered in dinner tonight. My Thai basil flowering. Smells so beautiful. Let's see, my echinacea probably won't flower until next year. These have gone out of control again, my marigolds. They always do. Oh, look at the peppers. These ones have started to go. So I made those hot peppers and they were too hot for me with the habaneros and the seeds left in them. I might try another batch, I guess, that maybe isn't going to be quite as hot. Look at my beautiful, beautiful grapes. Oh, it's probably not quite ripe. Look. All right, let's try it. Oh, that is still very, very tart. But I can't wait till they're more ripe. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And let's see these. No, they're still hard, so definitely not ready. Look at how beautiful they are. Oh my gosh. That one feels ripe. Maybe. No, I guess if it, well, came off fairly easy. Sweeter, but still not quite ready. Anyway, let's move on. Do we see any more melons? Let's push the asparagus aside. And let's get down here and check out the melon. Oh, that just popped right off, so I'd say that's ready. Oh dear. Ew, it's got a bug. Ah. Oh, well, look at my onions while we're here. And my cucumbers are going crazy, apparently. Oh, there's one. I don't really see any others. Oh, there's another one. Two. Neither of them are quite ready yet. Everybody's gonna need a good feed, which I expected. Or are these other two melons in here, I wonder? No, there's some more. I think this is oregano. Oh, maybe some kind of basil. It smells so good. It just came up too. Well, that one's not ready to come off. What about this one? Nope, yep, it just popped off. Oh, look at that. We got two little melons. That one doesn't have a yucky spot. This one's kind of, yeah, I'll need a good washing. The au naturel, you know, where you don't use any kind of pesticide or anything. Oh, look at my cute little melons. Carrots are looking good. David pulled a bunch from the back there. I should probably give that some feed and put a few more in there. Oh, there's an onion there that looks like it's probably ready. Tomatoes. Oh, there's a few of those ready. I need to come out here with a basket, apparently. None of the brandy wines are ready yet. Basil. Loofah. I'll have to go around the other side and see if I... Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that big giant loofah. Actually, it's pretty small, but... Peppers. Peppers everywhere. Can't see them very well yet. They haven't started to change color, but... Yeah, these little babies here, these are the habaneros. They're pretty hot. And then there's some... lots of jalapenos. There's some more habaneros. Oh my gosh. Jalapenos, I think. I don't know, these might be chili peppers. Have to try them. Oh, look, we've got some here that are starting to change color. How beautiful. These are a rainbow jalapeno. Some pretty big bell peppers in there too that we'll need to pull one of these days. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can't see how big it is, but it fills my whole hand. Here's some more super hot peppers. I did not need to grow the super hot peppers. I don't know where the seeds came from for the really hot ones here, but yeah, anyway. These are some peperoncinis. They're not as hot. And there's a few peppers on them now. And then, of course, the marigolds, which take over and help keep the pests away. Strawberries. Well, there's a few in here. One anyway. Oh, look at this. Oh! Ew, it's all mushy and moldy. Nobody else likes the strawberries, so... Which, as I've said before, is really weird because Dave loves. I'm going to leave that for another day. Pull that off. But anyway, they're flowering again, so I should be getting a bunch more strawberries. Putting out runners, and I'm letting them. Because I want to just completely fill this bed with strawberries. Nope. Sometimes train them in. Back there is basil. More basil. I always have more basil than I know what to do with. I always have more basil than I know what to do with because it is also a good pest deterrent. And yeah, even though I don't always use it, I always grow it. And there you have. I love my arch when it's covered in vines. Just looks so beautiful. And I learned some more about how to cut my vines back next year. I'm so excited to have grapes. That is marvelous. Now if I can just talk Dave into kiwi. I would love to put kiwi. See where my corn is there? I would love to put kiwi there. Oh! What is this? What is this? What is this? Is this gonna be a corn? Look at this! Oh my gosh! And this! I think I'm so excited. I think that's what that is. Oh my gosh, there's got to be some on these other ones then. These big ones? Yes, look at that. That is going to be a corn. Only one on there? Come on. You're the biggest one there is. You need to put out a little more than that. So exciting. Well, these two are the biggest. I don't see anything on this one yet. Oh, except a stink bug. Nice and big, but you got nothing, eh? These ones look like they're behind, but they were started later as well, so... that can make a difference, I'm sure. It's so interesting watching a new plant grow, and I just love the learning that goes on with that. So I'm gonna go do some more research on corn and see what's the best kind of food for them. And sorry, I'll try and talk over the chimes. I'm going to say see you later and close out this quick garden tour and go in and have some dinner and finish my unpacking and get ready for my live with the vineyard chicks that's happening later tonight. Hopefully I'll see you there. But if not, thanks for coming in and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate your time, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to hit the like, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and leave a comment if you can think of one. I would love to hear from you. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.